So how did you get initiated? I know you were born into it, so there's really no secret, right?
Right, there's no secret. It's all natural, it's from, birth. I hear music, of course I love music, so that will never change. And then, me being inspired, by my dad and stuff like that, it just makes me go harder.
Yes, yes. And when was your first gig as a drummer, whatever, however you got involved in the culture? Because I imagine it could have been around the 19th of November when Belizeans come out and do big things here in LA.
Yes. I've been doing it for a long time. I can't even tell you when I really started. I can tell you at least an age round to actually be outside to do it. I'll say at least like 13, 14 years old.
And that was part of you dancing Wanarawa as well, or when did Wanarawa come in the picture?
Oh, I think Wanarawa came in about 8 years old.
Ah.
Yeah, dancing with Fagaga.
Right.
Yeah, when he had the Wanarawa. So yeah, that was the first time, and ever since then I was dancing Wanarawa with Uncle Pops. I never stopped.
Right. How is your experience in Belize right now? I know you've been traveling to Belize back and forth in the past few years. How was your 19th of November in Belize?
It was very good. Much love. There wasn't no complaints. Everybody treated me good. People I didn't even know treated me good. So can't complain about that.
What do you expect to see here in LA? As far as the culture, as far as the 19th of November celebration, is there any expectations from you? What would you like to see happen?
The youths. I would love to see the kids getting more involved. Even if we don't learn as kids, how to speak Garifuna, at least we know our culture. At least we know something. We know our background, our history. Whether it's Punta, you listening to Wanarawa. If your parents was always playing, paranda, hugga, you always have some type of roots and culture. You always gravitate to it, no matter where it's at. If you're in America, you could be Honduras, Guatemala, don't matter. As long as you hear your roots, you'll always gravitate to it.
Right. No, that's important. I think the fact that Garifuna people are split in like I would say 5 countries, because you got to take into account St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Nicaragua, Honduras, Belize, Guatemala.
Correct.
How do you see that diaspora? Is it something that hampers Garifuna, or does it make it richer? What do you think?
Definitely makes it richer, because we're not in just Belize, you understand?
Yes.
Like you say, we're Honduras, Guatemala, Nicaragua. We're all over it. And then, of course, we travel to the U.S. We're here in California, New York. Yeah. So it just, and then for us to, expand more, because we're never going to let go our Garifuna heritage, our Garifuna culture. No. We can't do that.
Mm-mm.
We're not going to get rid of that,
Yeah, that's the uniqueness of it. Beautiful. Okay, I think that's good information right there. Let me stop the recording.